Okay, so what we're going to do today, we're actually going to start SA1 revision. So we're actually going to revise many of the question types to prepare you for SA1 exam. Right, so of course, for each question type, we'll not be doing as many questions as the previous at the start of the year. So probably like 3 or 4 word problems for each question type, and then we'll go down. So for today, we'll be doing sets, number term value, drop-down model, and equating numerators. Okay, so these are the question types we're covering. These are things you have seen before in our class, and we'll be going on to do them. Okay, so the first one, your sets number term value, right? So your Gopal had some $10 notes, $5 notes, and $2 notes, right? So if you were to do this, you start with your items, right? So your items will be your notes. So you have your $10, $5, and $2, right? So your number, okay, what about your number? It's in a ratio, right? So your 11 is to 7 is to 4, right? So based on this, you go into your number, right? So you have 11 units, 7 units, and 4 units. Here's a value, right? So for value, $10 note has $10 value, right? So of course you put your 10 and your value of 5 and your value of 2, right? So if you find your total, right, I'll change a different color, right? So it will be number times value and will be equal to your total, right? So 11 times 10 will give you 110 units, right? 7 times 5 will give you 35 units. And 4 times 2 will give you 8 units, right? So with that, the value of $10 notes is 3060 more than $2 notes, right? Correct? So $10 notes value must be equals to $2 notes value plus 3060, right? Right, so the value of your $10 notes must be equal to the value of your $2 notes and plus $3,060, correct? Hey, Joven, you understand this, right? Okay, so if you were to continue from here, right, your $10 notes value will give you 110 units, right? It must be equal to your $2 notes value, which is 8 units. So 1 unit is 30. Okay, so if you want to find your number of notes, right, it's just 11 units, right? So you can get your answer from here. Okay? So that will be your final step for part A. Okay? And then for part B, right, if you look, what was the total value of his $2 notes, right? So you need to find your number of $2 notes and then the value, right? So anyway, your value of $2 notes has to be 8 units, right? And that will give you your final answer, right? Using the same method.